Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to get voice chat on Roblox base method. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Roblox apps. Now tap on more icon. Scroll down, now tap on settings. Now tap on privacy and content restriction. Now tap on communication and tap on party. Now tap on turn on. After that, now go back and tap on voice data uses. Now tap on turn on. Don't worry if you can see the voice chat option here. I show you how to enable voice chat easily step by step. Now tap on help and safety. Now tap on help. Now tap on search bar and search for voice chat. Now tap on voice chat. Scroll down. Now tap on need more help, contact support here. Now fill up the form accurately. Now type your username. Now type your first name. Now type your email address. Now type your confirm email address. Scroll down. Now tap on device type. Scroll down, now select your Android phone. Now tap on help category. Scroll down. Now select your technical support. Now tap on help subcategory type. Now select your cannot visit experience. Now type your problem here. Hello Roblox team, Roblox voice chat option not showing. Please enable this as soon as possible. Thank you. Now tap on continue. Now tap on start plaza. Please match all of this one by one slowly and carefully. Now tap on submit. Now tap on submit. Now tap on submit. It may take 24 to 48 hours or even longer. Your voice chat feature will be activated within this time. Thank you for your patience.